Hello, I'm Paul. Welcome to the merge link extension. The goal of the extension is to enable you to bring the text of a link or the text of a page that is being linked to into the current page and have it merged into your existing experience. Now we have the ability to configure a number of different options, different large language models that you're able to use. We have the default Chrome built-in API. It's okay. It's not the best one. If you have an existing subscription or API key with another large language model provider like Google, or even I can add one in, for instance, Anthropic, or even OpenAI with ChatGPT, you can kind of configure those as well. Now we'll just keep the Google one around. I'm just going to test my connection. Yep, the API key is correct. I'm going to show you how it works. So here's my webpage, and I've got some links to articles that I want to see whether I can kind of merge it into the context of the current page. So I'm going to shift, click. You saw that it opened up the page in the background. It closed the page. It's got the content of that page. And it's doing some magic with a large language model where it's kind of merging the context of the entire page into this current page. So it'll take a couple of seconds to kind of run through it because generating text isn't the quickest thing in the world. There we go. So it's taken up the existing link, it's kept the existing link, and then it's kind of added the extra information and the extra context that was on that link. And so I can then also maybe shift click that other link and see if we can expand it. And there we go. So there was two links in a paragraph. It's merged those two links kind of progressively into the content and expanded kind of what is possible to read on the page. Thank you.